Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can open a PayPal account in Italy. So, without further ado, let's begin. Go to paypal.com/it/home, and then you should see this on your main screen. Then, go to the top right corner and click on this button right here. PayPal will then give you two options to start a staff account or a company account. Choose accordingly to what you need, and then click on Start Now. After that, PayPal will ask you to input the email that you wish to connect to this account. So, put one, then click on After You, and then PayPal will ask you to put a telephone number or a cell phone number right here. So put in your telephone number and click here, and then it would ask you to confirm that number by sending a code through a text or through a phone call. Once done, your account is now verified. And that's it. So, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful video tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye!